Hi guys, let's prepare dry fruit milkshake. This is my daughter's favorite milkshake. She loves this. It's very delicious and nutritious. She loves this milkshake. Let's get started. First ingredient is soaked almonds. They are rich in many nutrients like vitamin E, fiber, omega-3 fatty acid and proteins. I have soaked the almonds for an hour and I remove the skin of the almonds. She likes almonds very much. So next ingredient is cashew nuts. They are low in sugar, rich in fiber, healthy fats. Next ingredient is pistachios. They are bursting with the fiber, minerals and unsaturated fat. Next ingredient is raisins. They are packed with energy, fiber, vitamins and minerals. So now I'm adding soaked almonds. Next ingredient is dates. They are naturally sweet and high in sugar levels and rich in iron. It is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. It also contains good source of vitamin A and helps to maintain bones. Banana contains many important nutrients value and it helps to moderate blood sugar level and healthy heart. I have not added any refined sugar since dry fruits like raisins, dates contains natural sugar and bananas also helps to enhance the sweetness. Grind all the ingredients and pour the milkshake in the glass. Garnish the milkshake with few dry fruits. Now I will give the milkshake to my daughter to taste. I used to add all the seasonal fruits in her diet. I am very happy to participate in this contest. Thanks for giving the wonderful opportunity.